The humid air hung heavy as Dr. Evelyn Carter's team hacked through the Amazonian undergrowth. Sweat plastered her khaki shirt to her back, but the glint of sunlight on the ancient map clutched in her hand fueled her onward. Emberfall, the legendary city, awaited. The map, a fragment of a much larger scroll, depicted treacherous paths and cryptic symbols, hinting at the dangers ahead. Her team, rugged adventurer Jack Stratton, the resourceful linguist Dr. Aris Thorne, and the stoic tracker Maya Rodriguez, were a mix of expertise and courage, but even their combined skills couldn't fully prepare them for what lay ahead. Their journey was a gauntlet of peril. Giant, venomous spiders spun webs across their path, their shimmering silk almost invisible in the gloom. Whispering vines, seemingly sentient, snaked out to ensnare them. The air itself crackled with an unseen energy, a palpable sense of dread that settled over the expedition. They navigated crumbling temples, their stone faces eroded by time and jungle growth, each step echoing with the weight of forgotten civilizations. A colossal stone jaguar, its eyes glowing faintly, guarded a treacherous chasm. Jack, using his rope and climbing gear, deftly navigated the perilous drop, his heart pounding with each precarious move. Finally, they reached Emberfall. The city was a breathtaking sight. Towering structures of gold and obsidian, adorned with intricate carvings, rose from the jungle floor. But the beauty was tinged with an unsettling stillness. The air vibrated with a low hum, and shadows danced in the periphery, hinting at unseen presences. They encountered the city's inhabitants, beings of ethereal beauty, their skin shimmering like polished jade. They spoke in a language Eris painstakingly deciphered, learning of the city's power, an artifact known as the Heart of Ember, and the terrible price of its control, a sacrifice to maintain its mystical energies. The Heart of Ember, a pulsating crystal, radiating warmth and power, was housed within a temple, guarded by ancient traps and cursed guardians. Maya's tracking skills led them through the maze-like corridors, dodging deadly pitfalls and spectral warriors. They faced trials of strength, wit, and endurance, their resolve tested at every turn. Jack's strength proved essential in disarming the traps, while Eris's knowledge helped decipher the riddles protecting the innermost chamber. Evelyn herself, driven by her intellectual curiosity and the weight of discovery, pressed on, her determination unwavering. Inside the final chamber, they found the Heart of Ember, its light illuminating the chamber in an ethereal glow. The jade-skinned inhabitants emerged, their faces solemn. They explained the terrible truth. To maintain the city's power, a life must be sacrificed to the heart. The curse would consume Emberfall if the sacrifice was not made. A heavy silence fell over the group.